Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to turn up professional mode on Facebook. So in order to turn up professional mode on Facebook, what you're gonna do is first of all go ahead and tap on the Facebook profile or Facebook application. And once you are inside the Facebook, you will be appear with this interface on your screen. Now click on your profile. And right there you can see 3 dots. Simply click on it and there is many options, and among them simply tap on turn professional mode off. Once you tap on it, hit the option continue and click on turn off, and doing so will successfully turn off professional mode on Facebook. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.